All right, a beautiful one. 14936 Thatcher in Davis Spring neighborhood. Beautiful curb appeal. Look at that aloe, giant. Black Star gravel. This is nicely manicured, beautiful street. Davis Spring neighborhood. You got community amenities, pool, playground, whole deal. This is 2,535 square feet, 3 bedrooms plus an office, 2.5 baths. So you come in, you got engineered wood floors throughout. Immediately on your left is the formal dining. And then let's hit the right first. So you come in, there's a half bath here. Gorgeous. Here's the office. Everything is freshly painted, just been done. You got some wainscoting there. The entire house has been freshly painted. So off the front door, straight ahead, you come into this wing that has doors to close off. These are the 2 spare guest rooms. So immediately on your left, you have the guest bathroom, the other full bath. Got some remodeled tile in there. And then a nice blue color. And then here is some stuff in there. Shelf, 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 shelf. Linen closet. Here is the first room, very spacious. This is probably, I would say, maybe 12, 13 by 10. So here's a shot from the side. Very high ceilings throughout. I believe they're 10 feet, but don't quote me on that. They're tall. Might be 12, who knows? I don't have a ruler on me. Very spacious walk-in closet. And then you have this really cool second living area. This is not the main living area. This is the second. So if you have children or you want to have like a little separate play area or a lounge area, game room, it's very large. High ceilings, canned lights, speakers built in the ceiling. I believe they're leaving this TV, so you can use this as your movie room. And then here's the other bedroom. Other guest room right off there. And then you got the double closet door. Well, include sombrero could be included if you want. Surprises behind every door as a realtor. The washer, dryer, and refrigerator are included. I believe they are 2 years old, loaded. Got some shelves there. Here's your washer, dryer. Very spacious laundry room. And then we go back to the main front door. And then here's that dining room area again. Across from here is a coat closet. That's what a coat closet looks like. And then here is the kitchen. This refrigerator is included. Pow, that's a sexy fridge. Nice glass tile backsplash, stainless steel built-ins, quartz counters, pano effect, built-in range, gas. I know some people have to have gas. This one does. Beautiful vented hood. You got your ventilation right there. Got to have that, get that cooking smell out. But beautiful kitchen, open to the living area, dining room area. And here is your living room. You got some built-in shelves right there, or built-in cabinets right there. Tons of windows. Beautiful. High ceiling, crown molding, ceiling fan. This furniture is negotiable. So if you want a few pieces included in the lease, this will include that if you'd like. Engineered wood floors, though, carry on into here. And then over here, before I see you peeking over there, that's last. That's the surprise, the crown jewel. Here is the primary. This is a gigantic primary. It is, I would say, man, like 18 by 15. I mean, it's pretty big. I don't know if it does it justice on the old camera here, but as you wake up, you're looking at the ceiling, and then your eyes blink open, and you're like, where am I? Oh, there I am. My beautiful oasis pool is outside. I'm gonna take a morning dip. And then you just jump on, throw your suit on, and get on out there, take a little dippy. And then you get in here and take a shower. So you have a nice Corian counter. Actually, no, I think that's a stone type. That is not Corian. You have a marble tile, zero edge glass, marble, as you can see, jetted tub included. Double vanities, white. This is your toilet closet. Yep, that's what a toilet looks like. Oh, TV included. So you could be soaking your body and watching the news. And then here is your gigantic closet. Look at that. Racks 3 high. I don't know why every house doesn't do that, but you have no shortage of closet space. This is a massive closet. You also have plenty of racks here for shoes. 3 racks high for there. Then you have another little, this is like the man section. And then this is all the women stuff. That is the closet. And then let's get on out here. Ecobee thermostat. And then let's get on out here to the oasis. That was my southern accent. All right. So you have a nice, beautiful pergola here. This lawn furniture can be included. And then you have a beautiful pool. Not many rentals of the pool, but here is one. This one has a waterfall. It's not on right now, but beautiful. They have little seating shelves here. The owner just chlorinated it, so it's a little foggy, but typically it is beautiful blue. Here's a shot from the back. You have lots of nice shade trees. Here's a view of the back of the house. It's like your own little oasis, middle of Northwest Austin. Beautiful. I don't know how deep it is off the top of my head, and I cannot really see the bottom right now, but I will definitely put that in the remarks when I put it on the market. It is a gorgeous property. Got some vines growing there for privacy. Beautiful shade tree. Here's this perspective. Let's get out of the way of the post. Beautiful. Not a lot of grass to maintain either. Actually, really none. Just the front yard. All right.